folks, and welcome once again to Car of the Week from AA Silencers. Now this week we have this simply stunning bright red Audi R8. This is the full fat V10 Plus model with some really nice choice upgrades as well. And upgrades include these absolutely gorgeous bucket seats, figure hugging to the max. Lovely place to be, this cabin. But while the interior is a very nice place to be, this is where the magic happens. Stunning V10 in all its glory. Now this car has also got the optional carbon pack on it as well, so it's all trimmed in beautifully.